Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn about the journey of the wheat plant. The journey of wheat begins with tiny seeds sown in the ground, where they germinate and gradually grow into lush green shoots. Wheat sprouts, though small and fragile, contain a strong vitality, growing day by day thanks to the nourishment from the soil and sunlight. As the wheat fields grow, we can see layers of green waves covering the sky, a picture full of vitality and hope for a bountiful harvest. The rice plants are mature, with strong stems, preparing to enter an important stage. When the rice flowers are golden ripe, farmers and modern machines come together to harvest. This is the moment that marks the success of the care process, the moment when all the efforts are rewarded. The golden rice grains, symbolizing prosperity and warmth, are carefully collected, preparing for their next journey. Each grain of wheat is not only the fruit of heaven and earth, but also a symbol of human diligence, perseverance, and gratitude to nature. Wheat from small seeds, through many stages of development, finally becomes essential products in life, bringing joy and happiness.